Don't be afraid of that tile project. We're gonna show you the essential tools. These tile tools are all you need. We're gonna go through how to use them, what they are, and the most important tools for your DIY tile project. You're gonna get that professional look, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills. Let's go from this to this, and here's how.
Every box of tiles gonna give you their recommendation on what type of trowel to use.
It'll say what trowel size and everything on the box?
Right, because you know, it takes larger format. You're going to use a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch to set your tiles. But for like little backsplashes, V-notch, or like a 1/8 inch square, you're going to use a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch to set your tiles. But for like little backsplashes, V-notch, or like a 1/8 inch square, your U-notches are usually somewhere in between these two on how much thin set it puts on the wall or on the floor.
Subscribe for more tips.